I am the Indiana Jones of CBD. Why? I'm on a quest to find that holy grail that provides wellness, treats symptoms, and helps people's quality of life without prescription drugs in a totally natural, plant-based way. I'm Dr. Jim Collins. I'm not Indiana Jones, but I do have another CBD topic for you. CBD and psychosis. What the current research is telling us. So here we go. What is psychosis? Psychosis is a mental health condition characterized by a loss of contact with reality, often involving symptoms like hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking. It can occur in disorders like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and even in severe depressive conditions. In recent years, researchers have become increasingly interested in cannabidiol, or CBD, which is a non-intoxicating compound found in cannabis, for its potential role in treating psychotic symptoms. In order to take a look at CBD and psychosis, let's first understand what CBD is, okay? CBD is just one of more than 100 cannabinoids that are found in the cannabis plant or the medical hemp plant. Unlike THC, which is the compound responsible for cannabis's psychoactive effects, the euphoria or the high, CBD does not produce a high whatsoever. I know some people are disappointed about that. But in fact, CBD appears to interact with brain systems in ways that may actually counteract some of THC's effects, including anxiety and psychosis-like symptoms. CBD as a potential treatment for psychosis. I find this fascinating. Several clinical studies in professional journals around the world suggests that CBD may have antipsychotic properties. Researchers believe CBD influences the brain's endocannabinoid system, which helps to regulate a lot of things in our lives, daily function. It helps to regulate mood, cognition, sleep, appetite, and our stress response. It may also affect serotonin signaling and inflammation in the brain. Both are factors associated with psychotic disorders. In some early trials, CBD has shown promise in reducing symptoms such as hallucinations and delusions, specifically in people diagnosed with schizophrenia. One notable study found that patients who received CBD along with their usual antipsychotic medications experienced improved symptom control compared to those receiving a placebo or sugar pill. What are the advantages of CBD compared to traditional antipsychotic medications? Believe me, I could write a whole chapter in a book on this. Traditional antipsychotic medications can be effective, for sure, but they can often come with very serious, let's say mild, moderate to serious side effects, including weight gain, sedation, and movement disorders. CBD appears to have a more favorable side effect profile in many studies, which has led researchers to explore it as either an alternative or an adjunct treatment or an add-on treatment. Let's look at CBD versus cannabis, marijuana, weed, and psychosis risk. That's something that we're really looking at quite a bit these days. It's very important to distinguish CBD from cannabis because cannabis can have high levels of THC in it. High THC cannabis has been associated with an increased risk of psychosis, particularly in people who are genetically vulnerable or who use cannabis very heavily during adolescence. That's an important thing to know. CBD may actually counter some of THC's psychosis-inducing effects, but the balance between these compounds varies widely in cannabis products. In other words, you never know how much THC is going to be in this part of the gummy or that part of the cookie or this bud or whatever the case is. Now, we do have current limitations in CBD research, and we do have a promising future in CBD research. While the early findings are encouraging, CBD research in psychosis, it's still developing. Scientists are working to determine a few things. For instance, what are the optimal doses of CBD to give to individuals who have schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, severe psychotic depression, and so on? Same with THC. What is the long-term history snapshot? What does that look like, taking these products for 10, 15, 20 years with psychosis? Which patients are going to benefit the most? Individuals just taking CBD, CBD with THC, CBD with their psychotropic drugs, THC with their psychotropic drugs, or a combination of all three. So there's a lot of variables to look at here. Whether CBD works best alone or alongside existing medications, that is a big question out there to be answered. Regulation and product quality are also concerns, since many of the over-the-counter CBD products vary significantly in purity and potency. So buyer beware. Read those labels. Now, I have final thoughts on CBD being used for psychosis. CBD does show promising potential as a novel treatment, which means a new treatment approach for psychosis, particularly because it may reduce symptoms with fewer side effects than traditional antipsychotic medications. However, research is still ongoing, and CBD should not be used to treat psychotic disorders without medical supervision. Full stop on that one. Seek medical professionals, talk to your doctors before trying any of this whatsoever. As scientific understanding grows, and hopefully it will soon, CBD may become an important tool in the broader effort to improve treatment options for people experiencing psychosis. There you have it. I'm Dr. Jim, and if you would like to read more on CBD, mental health, physical health, neurodegenerative conditions, just tons and tons of topics, check out my very busy blog, drjimcollins.com. See you soon. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. And I'd like to introduce you to my book, Living Longer and Stronger with CBD. I had to write this after reading between 500, 550, 600 medical articles written and published all over the world. I had to condense the findings into one easy-to-read book on the health benefits of CBD for physical disorders, for mental, emotional conditions, for neurological and neurodegenerative health problems. I guarantee you are going to find this book very helpful for yourself, for friends, colleagues, family members. It's on sale at Amazon.com, but you can check it out at drjimcollins.com. That's drjimcollins.com. Or follow the link, okay? So thank you again for your time, and check out Living Longer and Stronger with CBD.